Alright, still working on the Jag. We are monitoring short-term fuel trim STFT. Should be 0. We're at 10. What I'm going to do is I'm going to spray something that simulates fuel right here and see if that indicates there's an air leak. Spray. Yeah, dropping down 1 or 2%. So again, it should be 0. Yeah, I think we have a slight... I think the O-ring seal under the mass airflow sensor is probably bad. I replaced, this is the fuel pressure regulator, and it goes, there's a rubber coupling. Come on. Going on 3 hours of sleep here. This rubber coupling, that there where it attaches to the engine was an air leak, and I fixed that and the numbers got a little better, but still not good enough. And then on this back area of the engine, this pipe here is where air goes into the motor. I spray that down. Well, the numbers are actually getting back into good line. Short term at 7%. 8, 9, I should be at 0. So let's spray back here and see what changes. 7's not bad. But spray there. Yeah, we got an obvious leak here at the throttle body. So I think we need to pull off the throttle body and put a new gasket on it. Another 2 hours down the freaking drain. And while we're at it, probably replace the rubber coupling that holds that silver part on. Update once that's done.